Concept of base pay. Base salary is a fixed amount of money paid to an employee by an employer in return for the work performed. The two usual approaches for base salary structure creation are identified as pay for the job and pay for the person. Developing a company's philosophy on base salary structure is very important. Basic salary refers to the amount of money that an employee receives prior to any extras being added or payments deducted. It excludes the bonuses, overtime pay, or any other potential compensation from an employer. The whole amount of basic salary is a part of take-home salary. So, the basic salary is to be fully taxable. Now, basic salary forms the core of the salary structure. It constitutes around 40 to 45% of the total cost to the company. Other salary components like gratuity, provident fund, employee state insurance schemes are determined according to the basic salary. The designation of the employee as well as the industry in which he or she is in are some of the components factored in while assessing the basic salary. Now, the employers need to keep the following points in mind while deciding on how much the basic pay for an employee should be. Number one, in the instance that basic pay is kept very high, then the employee's tax liability will also increase, given that this component is fully taxable. It also impacts the liability of the organization since higher contributions would be required for ESI, PF, etc. In the instance that basic pay is kept very low, the organization might not be able to meet the minimum wage norms fixed by the respective state government. Also, considering that minimum wages are regularly updated, the organization could run the risk of falling low below the set of wage limit. To sum it up, gross salary is made up of the following: basic salary, contribution to pension, provident fund, group life, etc., house rent allowance, travel allowance, children education allowance and other similar allowances, and overtime and bonus. Now, what is the difference between basic pay and the net pay? While basic salary does not include any of the deductions made, net pay is what an employee takes home after all the required deductions are made. Also, net salary, referred to as the take-home salary, can be calculated by first adding up the salary, HRA and allowances and then deducting income tax, employee provident fund and professional tax from it. The net salary will be less than the gross pay on account of mandatory and voluntary payroll deductions.